Here's how to change the default storage drive for Steam games on your PC or laptop. Let's get into the method. Open Steam first and then click on where it says Steam in the very top left corner of the window. On the list that appears, choose Settings and then select Storage from the menu on the left. On here, first open the drop-down menu at the top and look at the list of drives. The drive with the yellow star is the current default, so to choose a new one, select it from the list and then click on the three dots icon next to the storage space bar and select Make Default. This will now be set to the default drive and you can check that the yellow star now appears next to this drive's name in the drop-down menu to confirm it. Remember that this default will only be applied to future installations, and you will still have the option to change the drive or the default in the future. That's how to change the default storage drive for Steam games on your PC or laptop. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.